All right, open to the build.
If you know, like the risk chip profile distribution, like the reason why risk chips became like a dominant kind of architecture is because of the power consumption, like differential between regular chips and risk kind of like pro CPU chips.
Should I know what that is? I've never heard
Yeah,
of that.
sorry.
Risk,
Showing
risk
my
chip?
showing my nerdy side. Basically, it's like a way for a CPU type for processing information that was a difference compared to, say, like a regular CPU in a desktop based on power consumption differences. I think it's the head of Stanford University was one of the guys who created it. But anyway.
Risk. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. I was thinking risk, like dangerous.
Yeah.
No. RISC.
Yeah.
-V.
And that became the dominant architecture because of mobile, right? And so it wasn't that all of those chips that they were competing against went away. It was we just created like 10 billion new devices over the 10-year period when that became the dominant architecture. The same will happen for local models or on-device models. We are going to create basically an ecosystem of independent autonomous robots and robotics across cars, machinery, manufacturing, and then potentially retail as well, where those will have the power constraints and they have to have intelligent, basically onboard AI kind of chips that have to be independent from, say, a cloud environment because they're operating in the world where, they have to continue being able to see if a human's in front of them and process that request and process that information correctly. That's what I reckon the on-device thing will explode in that domain.
Yeah.
All right, open to the build.